You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word that comes from French, and yes, it has accents, and break down the pronunciation in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary like this that is confusing, you found the right channel. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you you should listen to. Protege is the English pronunciation. It comes from French protéger, which means protected, a person that is protected, and that's exactly what it means in English. A person that is protected or trained, or whose career is furthered by a person of experience. Protégé. It's a j sound, that's how we pronounce it in French, and same in English. Protégé. Protégé from French, protéger. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.